Okay, students, welcome back to mathematics class. So we'll continue the exercise, second exercise now. So we have finished the 15th problem in the last video now. So now we'll discuss 16th question. Okay, question number 16. So question number 16, what is that? Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is given, that is A3 is given. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term. Here the question not ended, no? So exceeds the fifth term by 12. You just take it as 12, okay? Okay. Determine the AP. So we have to write the AP. AP is not mentioned. But to find the AP, so they have given some hints, that is third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Okay, it is given. You can observe the question. So now, what we have to find out actually, first term we need to write the AP. So basic things is first term and difference we need. How to find out the first term and difference using this given data? So here we are using seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗಿಂತ 12 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ seventh term can we write it in the form of A7? Yes, A7 ಅನ್ನೋದು fifth term ಅಂದ್ರೆ A5 ಗಿಂತ 12 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. So A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. So A7, how can we write A7? A plus 6D is equal to A5, that is A plus 4D plus 12. Then A and A, both side A and A get cancelled. Now group the like terms one side. 6D, take this 4D to this side, then minus 4D is equal to 12. Then 2D is equal to 12, D is equal to 6. So finally we got difference. Only using difference can we write the AP? No. So then what we have to do further actually? So next step actually. So one second. Our page is this one. Yes. Now, what is given actually? Third term of the AP is given. Third term of the AP is 16 is given. Now I am going to use that data. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Can I write A3 in the form of A plus 2D? Then A3 is given, no, third term is given, no, 16 is equal to A plus 2 into difference. Just now we got the difference 6. Now 16 is equal to A plus 12, that is A is equal to 16 minus 12, A is equal to 4. So therefore now we got A and D also. If we have A and D, then we can write the AP using the general form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on. So now A, general form is A first. A is first term 4. Then A plus D. A is 4, D is 6. Then 4 plus 6, next term is 10. Then first term A plus 2D, 2 into D, that is 12. 12 plus 4, 16. So like that you can continue the AP. Got the idea of the problem, the students? See what is given in the question actually. Third term of the AP is given as 16. Then seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. I took the second statement first. A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Using that, I got difference. So then, I took the first data, that is third term of the AP is 16. So in that, I substituted actually difference. Then I got A and D together. Then write the general form A plus D, A plus 2D. Just substitute A and D in the places, respective places, then you will get the AP as 4, 10, 16, so on up to okay. So AN. So got the idea of this problem now? Yes. Now we are moving to 17th question. Question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So we have discussed this type of problem in the example section now. Yes. 20th term we have to find out. Okay. So we are feeling very happy to see this up to this 20th term. Very easy. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of n, we have to substitute 20. But the question is, Simple problem only, but you have to read the question completely. Find the 20th term from the last term. We have to come from the last term. Last term in the new 20th term. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ. ಉಲ್ಟಾ 20ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The AP is like this. 3, 8, 13, so on up to 253. The last term is 253. Now this will be act like a first term for you. Okay. Now if we write the AP in the reverse order, ಅದನ್ನೇ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. 253 so on 13 8 3 ಗೇನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು A is what actually ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದ್ರೆ A is 253 ನೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಸಾಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ -5. So now A20 we have to find out. A20 is equal to A plus 19D. You can take now A20 which is equal to A plus 19D. Got the idea of this problem, students? 253 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ AP ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay, now the first term is A 253. Difference ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here preceding term the difference 3 minus 8 ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ 8 minus 13, like this only you have to come for to find out the difference. Okay, so now 8 minus 13 is -5. Then you need the 20th term of this AP. Okay, that's why A20 is equal to A plus 19D you have to take. Then A is 253. Then plus 19 into D is -5. Then 253 plus into minus 95. Then it is 158. 20th term from the last term of the AP is 158. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ 253 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 20th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 158 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Is that clear? So this is about the finding the 20th term from the last term. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes, now this is about the 17th question. Now 18th sum. Okay, the sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. So now again, this is simple question only. Sum of some word is given. SUM sum. Sum of the 4th and 8th term. In the sense, 4th term is A4 and 8th term is A8. Sum of these two is 24. That is A4 plus A8 is equal to 24 now. That is first data. And one more data is given. Sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. 6th andre A6. 10th is A10. Sum of A6 plus that is A10 is equal to 44. Second data. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So here also we have to write the first 3 terms of the AP in the sense A plus D, A plus 2D we have to write. For that what we have to find out actually? A we have to work out and D we have to work out. How to find out A and D? So for that we have to use this given condition. Two conditions are there. Why two condition? Once A we have to find out and D we have to find out now. So now let us take the first data. 4th and 8th term sum is 24. That is A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. Okay, now we'll work out this. First we'll finish this data. Then we'll take A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Listen carefully. A4. Can I write A plus 3D? Next. A8. A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus A, 2A. 3D plus 7D, 10D, which is equal to 24 we got. Call this equation as equation number 1. This equation, how we got this equation? From the first given data. 4th plus 8th term is 24. 4th term A plus 3D anta barkondvi. 8th term A plus 7D. Then like term group ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Now same to same topic we have to apply for the second data. 6th and 10th term is 44. Now so we'll move on to the next page. 1 second. Yes, here. Our next data is A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. A6 is A plus 5D, then A10 is A plus 9D, which is equal to 44. Then A plus A 2A, 5D plus 9D, 14D, which is equal to 44. This is equation number 2. So now we got equation 1 and 2. Again, we have to go to solving equation 1 and 2. In the beginning of the arithmetic progression, we discussed no, how to solve the two equations. So, okay, write the two equations one side. First equation is 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. Then second equation is 2a plus 14d is equal to 44. Sign change rule we have to apply. Here minus, plus becomes minus, here plus becomes minus. Then plus 2a minus 2a get cancelled. Plus 10d minus 14d is minus 4d. Then plus 24 minus 44 is minus 20. Minus 4d is equal to minus 20. Both side negative sign, they get cancelled. Then minus minus get cancelled. Plus 4d is equal to 20 remaining. D is equal to 20 divided by 4, 5. So what we got actually? D we got 5. Now what we have to find out? A we have to find out. We have two equations and we got d value. Now we have to substitute this d value. So we have to substitute this d value in any one of the equation, that your favorite equation, any one equation. But choose the simple equation. Okay, 2a plus 10d is equal to 24. Now 2a plus 10 into d value is 5, that is equal to 24. 2a is equal to 24 minus 50. A is equal to here minus 56 divided by 2, that is A is minus 13. Now D is 5. A is minus 13. Can you write the first three terms of the AP? Yes, of course. General form you take A plus B, A plus 2D. Then A is minus 13, A plus D. Substitute. A minus 13 plus D 5 and minus 8. Then A is minus 13 plus 2 into D. So after the simplification, minus 3. The first three terms of the AP, minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3, so on. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes. Now, 19th question. Okay, 19th question. I think you can read the question now. Subbarao started working 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. Annual salary rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. Okay, so 1995. So you can imagine increment, every year increment is 200 rupees. First salary is first year 5,000. Annual salary, ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ 5,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಳ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು? 200 rupees ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಅವರ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 5,200. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ 5,400. Okay, so on up to so they have asked the question. We have to complete the question part now. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1995ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 5,000. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 200 rupees ಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 7,000 ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್? So now you can solve this problem by your actually rough work method. ಏನು ನೀವು 1995 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5,000 ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅವನಿಗೆ 200 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7,000 ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವರ್ಷ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ AP ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಸುಬ್ಬಾರಾವ್ನ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ 7,000 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ಇಸ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು using AP we can work out. Okay, so you just see the solution now. It is very simple question. I think you have finished this problem, right? No, so now you take, now we've got the AP no, 5,000, 5,200, 5,400, so on up to last our target is 7,000. So we took that as AP. Now A is 5000, D is 200, AN is 7000. They have asked the question for 7000, no? That's why we are fixing the last term as 7000. Now for that also, in which, okay, number of years that we have to find out in the sense, what we have to take general form only. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 7000, A is 5000 plus N minus 1 into difference is 200. Now take the like terms one side. 7000 minus 5000 is equal to here bracket operation 200 N minus 200. Then 7000 minus 5000 is 2000. Then minus 200 when transferred to this side plus 200, which is equal to 200 N. Now 2000 plus 200 is 2200, that is equal to 200 N. Therefore N is equal to 11. N we got 11. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಬ್ಬಾರಾವ್ ಅವ್ರದ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 7000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು 5000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಜರ್ನಿ 7000 ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ 11 ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 1995 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 11 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2006. His income reached rupees 7000 in 2006. 2006 ಅವರ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7000 ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Got the idea of this problem, no? Yes. Now the last question, no students, this one. Only 20 problems are there in that exercise, no? Say yes or no. 20. Is this last question? Yes, Danya. Thank you, Danya. Okay, students. Yes, first we'll finish. Afterwards, we'll spend time for the discussion for last 2 minutes. Okay. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year. Okay. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings. Rupees 1.75. If in the nth week, is question mark, her weekly savings becomes rupees 20.75, find N. Try to understand the question. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಾರ ಅವಳು 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿಯನ್ನ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಅವಳು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಒಂದು 1.75 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1.25 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಾರ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅವಳದು ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಎರಡನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1.75 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 6.75 ಅವಳ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವೀಕಲ್ಲೂ 1.75 ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಮೂರನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ 8.50. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಆನ್ 5. ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 5. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 6.75, ಥರ್ಡ್ ವೀಕಿಗೆ 8.50, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸೊ ಆನ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 20.75 we have to reach. ಸೊ ಅವಳ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 20.75. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, nth ವೀಕ್ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೂ ಅವಳ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 20.75 ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ A is equal to 5, difference is 1.75, AN. Finally we have to find out 20.75, AN 20.75. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ 20.75 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ concept we have to take, nth term only. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. A value is AN is 20.75, A is 5, then N minus 1 and into D is 1.75, then 20.75 is equal to 5 plus 1.75 N minus 1.75. Then so you just keep this 1.75 N this side only. 5 minus 1.75 is plus 3.25. Take this plus 3.25 this side, that is minus 3.25. Then 1.75 N is equal to here 20.75 minus 3.25 is 17.50. Then n is equal to 17.50 divided by 1.75. By looking this only, you can say the answer directly 10. Total 10 weeks. Got the idea now? In the beginning week, her savings 5. Then next week ಆ 5 rupeesಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು 3/4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ 6.75. Then next week 8.50. In the 10th week, okay, she will reach 20.75. So this is about the 20th question. Now I think you have got the clear idea of the nth term of an AP, no? Where we have to use, what are the applications of nth term of an AP. By looking the problem, you can give the answer. Where we can use nth term, why we need that nth term to get this type of information. So we need nth term of an AP. So we have worked out many problems, no, 20 exercise problems, and I think 6 or 7 example problems. I think you have got the clear picture of nth term of an AP. Then practice is very important. After completing this exercise, you have to practice the exercise 1 or 2 times. That is very important. Okay, so don't neglect your studies. So repeatedly watch the video. If you are not getting the idea of the problem, no, repeatedly watch the video. Still you are not able to understand, then you just call me, I'll explain. Okay, so I have a doubt, Mataji. Shreya, what type of doubt? Shreya,
Yes, Mataji.
yes, Shreya, you can ask your doubt now.
Mataji, in 19th question,
Huh? Yeah, in
I think the answer should be 2005.
2005.
Huh.
Okay, 1 second, let us
Because even if you calculate it roughly, then
Okay, students, see here, 19th question. We are discussing 19th question again. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income rupees 7,000? So we have to include 1995 also first year. Okay, 1995 ಗೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ salary ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ 5,000. 5,000, 5,200, 5,400. So totally we took actually one AP ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಆ AP ಅಲ್ಲಿ we got n is equal to 11 actually. n is equal to 11 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so total 11 years we have to wait to get the salary of rupees 7,000. 1995 ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ 11 years ಬಂದಿದೆ. So in the sense what we have to do actually 1995 ಗೆ 11 years ಅಂದ್ರೆ already 1 year ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 1995 ನೇ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so we have to take 1995 plus 10, so then you will get the answer 2000. Yes, that is the right way. Okay, 1995 also we have to include here. So total number of years in this complete AP we got 11. So 11 years in the sense 1995, if we calculated from 1995, we'll get 2005 is the answer. Okay, you just correct that one. N is equal to 11 is the right answer, proper. But last part adding, okay, 1995 plus 11 is there, no? In that we have to be very careful. So that is actually 1995 plus 10, or you can add directly 1995 for that. Just in mind also you can do that one year 2005. So you have to correct that answer here. 2005 you have to do. So make the answer 2005. Okay, make the answer 2005. Got the idea of this one now? Yes. 2005. Now it is clear, no? Yes. Now, do you have any other doubts, students? Do you have any other doubts? Yes, very good, Shreya. Okay, now, any other doubts, students? Someone are writing on the sheet. Who's that? Utsav? Yes.